High-altitude work, a dual challenge of safety and efficiency. D15R redefines the cleaning revolution. From skyscrapers to photovoltaic power stations, from wind turbine blades to complex towers, D15R breaks through spatial limitations with intelligent technology and making high-risk operations a thing of the past. Dual redundant RTK centimeter level positioning with precise positioning capabilities, providing real-time centimeter level positioning data, significantly enhancing data accuracy, plus intelligent flight path planning, enabling autonomous operations, customizable flight paths for different cleaning scenarios, greatly improving the efficiency and flexibility of cleaning drones. Modular design, compatible with 2 different cleaning attachments, fixed type, and oscillating nozzles, meeting diverse cleaning needs, providing the industry with a convenient, efficient, and versatile aerial, high-pressure cleaning solution. 20 MPa high-pressure rinsing, combined with professional cleaning agents, thoroughly removes stubborn stains and mold spots. D15R redefines cleaning efficiency standards. Cleaning efficiency has been greatly improved. D15R makes every operation a double victory in cost and efficiency, safeguarding safety with technology, driving efficiency with innovation. D15R multifunctional cleaning drone make high-altitude operations easier.